Kerala style easy okra stir fry recipe. We just need only 30 minutes to make this special recipe. Try it along with rice, you will enjoy the flavors. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon chilli flakes, mix it well. Saute it for 4 minutes on medium flame. After 4 minutes, keep it low flame. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and mix it for a minute. Now add 250 grams of okra cut into small pieces like this. Also add 2 center slit green chilies, some curry leaves, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Then add 2 tablespoons water and close the lid. Cook for 6 minutes on low flame. After 6 minutes we can open the lid. Add 1 teaspoon pepper powder and mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Cook for 4 minutes on medium flame. Stir every 30 seconds in between. After 4 minutes, we can switch off the flame. Our tasty okra stir fry recipe is ready. Usually served along with rice for best taste.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.